We would like to inform you that, due to updates implemented by Microsoft in its cloud services, it is necessary to update the firmware of DigiRail OEE devices to version 1.40 or later. This update is required to ensure continued communication with the Azure platform. In this video, we will demonstrate how to update the DigiRail OEE firmware. First, connect the device to your computer and open the NXperience software. Before starting the update, read the current device configuration and save it in a safe location. This procedure will allow you to restore the parameters if necessary. With the device connected and NXperience open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F12. This shortcut will open the firmware update screen directly. Next, load the firmware file corresponding to the desired version. Click Program, and in the confirmation window, select Yes. Wait until the update process is completed. When finished, click OK. After the update, read the device configuration again and verify that the firmware version has been updated correctly. Finally, check that all DigiRail OEE settings remain correct. If any parameter has changed, reload the configuration file saved earlier and send the configuration to the device. Once these steps are completed, the update process will be finished and the DigiRail OEE will be ready to continue communicating with the Azure platform.